Nature has given us everything, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. We're not apart from nature, we're part of it. Its well-being is our well-being. And when it flourishes, we flourish. That's why we at elho create beautiful designer pots and smart solutions for your plants in a sustainable way, made out of recycled plastics and powered by renewable energy. It's our dream to build a greener, better world and encourage others to join us. So let's learn from nature, be amazed by it, inspired by it, and let's share knowledge with other people so we can grow together. Let's love nature, surround ourselves with it, and bring it back into our daily lives, into our neighborhoods, our homes, our work, our playgrounds. And let's return the gifts the earth has shared with us. Let's be inspired by the cyclicity of nature and repair, reuse, and recycle. Because small actions today cause big changes tomorrow. A greening movement is changing the way we relate to Mother Earth. We want to invite you to join us. Let's work together, and step by step, we'll create a world where nature and people can blossom. Because to truly be in touch with nature, we need our hands back in the dirt. elho, give room to nature.